Now let's take a look at the new for the fall of 2025, the vSeeBox V6 Plus. This sucker here is loaded. It's going to save you tons of money on live TV, online movie services, all your TV series. So stay tuned for my full review. After final testing of this, I'm going to show you guys right here the actual boot sequence. This video right here to save you all some time. If you want to see the full video, be sure to click my link down below in the video description, or you can just go to rumble.com, search for TheMadReview. YouTube does not allow us to show all of the content that we can show that this unit has to offer to help save people money watching movies, watching all of your TV service providers, whether it be from Hulu, whether it be from HBO. It's just, this thing is totally loaded. So be sure to remember to check out us over on Rumble. This is just us starting up the box. I want to kind of go through real quick and show you all how simple and easy it is to operate and install all of the apps on this new box here. As you can see, this new updated box does everything for you. You pretty much just start up the box, connect it to your internet, and away you go. Everything that we are doing in this video is done on a regular 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, which is your basic Wi-Fi connection. You can see that it is downloading and installing all of the Heat apps, which is primarily what this box runs. And for those that don't know, Heat is like one of the main apps that everybody wants. So as you can see, it has other things as well. It has YouTube, Netflix, it has everything already on the box. Disney Plus. We can't go in on YouTube and show you what all these apps can do, but I am doing it over on Rumble. We don't want to get any kind of strikes over here, but I wanted to kind of just give you guys a part one here on YouTube to let you know. Check me out, follow me over on Rumble. For you guys that don't know what Rumble is, it's another video service that don't have all the restrictions that YouTube has. I am going to leave a link to make a purchase of this new unit down below, and I'm also going to have a link also for you to go over to my Rumble. We've go through, it has firmware upgrades, so for the life of this unit, it's a one-time purchase deal. All of this content comes free. So be sure to check out us over on Rumble. I wish I could show more here, but I can't. Follow for the full video over on Rumble. Like I said, I hate to keep saying Rumble, but it is what it is. You can see that this box here, I mean, it comes loaded. This thing is fast. It's got the newest Android system on it. It's got faster memory. It's got better storage. This is a huge upgrade for the vSeeBox series. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Be sure to click the link below, save 10% off if this is something that you're interested in purchasing. It'll get to you in the US 2 to 3 day shipping, which is really quick. It gets right to your door. Also, for those that want to see more of this product, click the link below that. It'll take you straight to Rumble so you can watch the full video and you get a full breakdown of exactly what this unit is capable of doing. Save yourself some money, a one-time purchase, get you taken care of. This has been TheMadReview. I'll catch you guys in my next video.